Hey guys, it's Motoman. Today our project is going to be installing a set of Morimoto X8 LED fog lights to replace the lame Toyota ones that are in there. So let's do an unbox real quick. Okay. Nice. Got some munchies there. And so I got the amber lights. Oh, those look like nice units. I'm excited to get them installed. And also it comes with the plug that you need. And one more thing. These ends aren't installed in the plug yet. You need to test your polarity first and to ensure that they get mounted right. So the first thing we want to do is get the front bumper off, and I've already started doing that. I've got another video. If you look at the Ragu fabrication video of mine, you'll see on detailed instructions on how to remove the front bumper. So let's get after it. Alright, we've got the front bumper removed. There is the passenger side housing. Oh, wait a minute. Oh, we're backwards. Driver side housing and passenger side housing. I'm not sure why this one has a shroud on it and that one doesn't, but I'm going to get looking at it here and see if we can figure out how to get it undone. By the way, I went to Morimoto's website and downloaded the instructions, and it was 2 pages on how to apply the film to the front of it. Had nothing to do with the install. There was a note on HID Pro's website that said that the Toyota 4Runners require a little bit of modification to the bracket, so I'm not sure what that's going to entail yet, but let's go ahead and dive in. So I just removed these 2 screws from the side of the housing, and out it comes. Alright, that's awesome. Easy enough. Lettering on the bottom. One thing to note is that these tabs have to go under that little slot right there. So we're going to use a screwdriver and kind of pry up on it so that those can go all the way in, and then these guys should line up. Alright, so we're able to get them in the stock location there, and then started this guy, and you can see this guy right here has to be moved a little bit. They say that you can modify this. I don't know if I should like Dremel it a little bit over here or just try to force it into the hole. Let's give it a shot. I was able to start the screw just a little crooked, and it pulled it right in, and it's nice and tight and secure. And from underneath, it looks awesome. Can't wait to see how they look tonight. Let's work on the other one. So this guy has the cover on it. We've got a little tab there we're going to release, tab there, and this should just come right off. Okay, so on this side it's got a little push clip that goes down into there, and on that side it's got a little push clip. I don't know how you're going to get to them. You try to get a screwdriver in there, but I don't want to tear up the plastic, and then it just tilts out and goes like that. So I just popped straight up, got that one out, was able to wiggle that one, and that one just tilting back. So time to unscrew. Installed. Next we want to test the polarity and then install these guys into the right plug. Just got some heat shrink over them right now. You pull that off before you stick them in the plug. So let's find out what the polarity is on our fog lights. Alright, we're going to use our multimeter here real quick, and we're going to do the pin out on these guys. Let's go turn the lights on. Okay. Alright, so this side is positive. Okay, so these are the plugs that they supplied. And I'm guessing the side with this little notch right there, that's going to be the lock. So this is going to be positive on this side. Alright, I scratched a little positive mark on there. You probably can't see that, but I verified both sides are the same. So we'll go ahead and push the pins in now. Now I believe this is pretty straightforward, but it'd be nice to have some instructions. I've never done these kind of connectors before, so I'm guessing you just orient them so they fit in the slot and just push them in until they're seated. We'll give it a shot. Okay, the only hint that I'll give for these, it is pretty straightforward, is there's a little, it's almost like a C channel you can see in this thing, and make sure that it matches the C channel in the hole, and start them both at the same time, because if you push one in, the heat shrink that's on here won't allow you to start the other one, which is frustrating. So I learned that one the hard way, but the second one should go easier. I just use a little screwdriver to push the plunger in the back until they lock into place. Okay, both lights are installed. Got the cover put back on, and we're ready to install the bumper. And they look good in there. Can't wait to see them tonight.